Today we'll be talking about mindset shift for profitable trading. Now, what is mindset shift? It's a deviation from a particular way of thinking to a more better way of thinking, right? It's not just a way of thinking to another way of thinking to a better way of thinking, right? Now, how does this play out in trading? First of all, coming into trading, I expected it to be all roses, right? Looking for profits, making money, Rolex, cars, houses, lifestyle, yachts, and so on and so forth. But it was not like that. Plainly, I was wrong, and most of us are wrong the way we are coming into trading. Okay, now coming into trading with that perspective, what it does is it gives you the wrong idea of trading. It gives you this get rich quick mentality of trading, which is wrong. That leads to revenge trading, over trading, exposing yourself, like overexposure. You understand? Even blown accounts. That's what it leads to. Because you're coming with this mindset that is a game or it's easy. Meanwhile, trading is the um hardest easy money you can make. You understand? This is financial warfare. Trading is financial warfare. It's the highest level of financial warfare. You get? So, what's the mind shift there? What are the mind shift that I can put in place, or did I put in place to make my trading better? First of all, I eliminated the effect of money or my mind, pondering my mind on the money aspect. The first thing I did was to eliminate that from my mind. I centered myself on learning to execute better, learning my strategies well. What time frames am I proficient in? What session am I trading? What market am I trading? What pair am I trading? To be very profitable in trading, you need to be a specialist. I know people may tell you, yes, if your strategy does not work on all pairs, it's not a good strategy. It's a lie. You need to be a specialist for you to be profitable. Pick one market, at most two. If you're just starting up, pick one market, specialize, take out time and study that market, the in and out of it. Okay, I have some recommendations. If you ask me in the comment section based on CFDs or features, I can give you some recommendation. But you need to be a specialist. Okay, so first thing, the mindset shift is I will focus on one market, right? Um, the session I'm going to trade, my risk per trade, how much am I, how much do I want, how much movement am I expecting the market per day? You understand? You can be looking for 20 pips for a forex pair or 30 pips, and someone else may see that and say you're scalping. That is your trade. This is my trade. I look for so amount of pair pips, and I take it, and I'm out of the market, and I'm content. You understand? So you need to write all these things down, get them in your head, and when you go to execute, you execute, you go in and you come out, win or loss. You understand? All right. So what I noticed after I did most of those things I mentioned, what I noticed was, first of all, my win rate went up. My win rate went up. Losses became smaller and less frequent. The next thing was my I could mitigate drawdown easily. Okay, I could come out of drawdown easily because my win rate is kind of high and my risk to reward is kind of average or high too also. You understand? So doing those things gave me more win rates, a higher success this thing rate of my model. You understand? And also the key takeaway from this, I can say, is trading is 80% like mindset and 20% strategy. Because once you have a strategy, you have a strategy. But in terms of the markets, the, the way you were feeling yesterday and the way you be feeling today are two different things. Do you understand? So you come to the market every new day with a new bag of issues. I did that. I came to the market with a new bag of issues. Either I'm looking for money or bills or emotional stress or mental stress, and I come to the market and I want to get money out of the market, and the market takes me out. Do you understand?